If you're experiencing low performance while playing FIFA 24, there are several steps you can take to enhance your gaming experience. Follow these steps to optimize your game settings and improve performance. Step 1. Adjust graphics settings. Lower the graphics settings in the game menu. Reduce options like resolution, texture quality, and shadow details to lighten the load on your system. Step 2. Update drivers. Ensure that your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website to download and install the latest drivers, which can improve game performance and stability. Step 3. Close background applications. Before launching FIFA 24, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This frees up system resources and can lead to smoother gameplay. Step 4. Optimize game mode. If you're playing on a console, switch to performance mode if available. This mode prioritizes frame rate over graphics quality, which can enhance your gaming experience. Step 5. Check for game updates. Regularly check for any game updates or patches. Developers often release updates that improve performance and fix bugs, so keeping the game updated can help maintain optimal performance. By following these steps, you should notice an improvement in your FIFA 24 gaming experience. Enjoy your game.